Hi everyone, I'm Salman Riaz from Era24 UK, and today I'm going to import a theme demo, but you will not find on their website any kind of demo, which is very strange. But uh, we are going to use Astra, and I'm going to show you the demo, how we will be importing and how it will look like after demo import. So the website will be ready, but you cannot find here any kind of template or demo style, which I give you a challenge. Give me in comment section if you find when you will go here on Astra website. So click on starter templates and then try to find the one which I'm going to import, and I'm challenging you, you won't find it, because this is a very unique theme demo import, and the good thing is it is totally free. So let's get started. We are going to go first on our dashboard, and we are going to click on appearance. Here we are going to add a new theme. You can just write here Astra, A-S-T-R-A, and this is the one we are going to use. So just click on install. And now activate. Once it is activated, you will see here this box instead of the default theme. So this is theme is installed now, and they are offering us to install a plugin, which is let's get started with starter templates. This is what I was talking about here, the starter templates, and you won't find this theme demo. I give you a challenge. Give me in comment section if you find it. And now we are going to activate. So we are activating the associated plugin. It is activating now. So you are on your WP admin, and it shows again, let's get started. So this is the button you need to click again, and this time we are going to install this plugin and templates. So they are offering us two different types of websites build. So the one is which is AI website builder, the another one is classic starter. So we are going to choose this one. Now we can see the templates which we are going to install on our domain, and the one which I chose is it's a travel blog. So I'm going to write, if I don't find it here, because sometimes you don't find so easily, anyways, I'm just going to write travel and then enter. So this is the one I'm going to install. Click on it, and you can see the preview, it is showing this demo you are going to install, but unfortunately this demo is not available on their own website. So this is the interesting thing, that's why I created this video. I know many of you knows about Astra and Astra theme or the theme demo import, but not this thing which I'm going to show you. So now if you need to change, you can change the logo or do anything, but if you don't want to and you want to install only the same theme demo as it is looks like here, just click continue, this blue button. Now it is asking what kind of features you want to add. This is a beautiful thing. Like for example, if you want to collect donation online from your website, automation if you want to use, if you use sales funnels, if you add your video player on your website, yes, you can click this one. Or if you have or you want to have free live chat, click this one. So what's gonna happen, it is going to, because these are the features and features require plugins, so now it's going to install the plugins. Click on continue. If you want to put your name and your email address, you can add it, and then these are the options. Advanced options are selected. So if you don't want to share the sensitive information, it's up to you, but you can leave it as it is and then click on submit and build my website. Now as you can see, it is saying installing required theme and plugins as well as forms. So you can see the process, how it is processing. I want to skip this a bit because you need to know what is actually happening and how fast it is going to import the theme demo. 90% is done. Final finishing. Hooray! Congratulations! Your website is ready and it took only 25 seconds to build. So in 25 seconds you can import a theme demo 100%. So I'm going to show you how the website demo looks like on our domain. So we will click here, view your website, and here you go. As you can see, the whole website is imported and including the images, all blogs, and as well as other pictures and logos. So this is the way you can download or import the whole website. And now I'm going to show you on the front end. So visit dashboard. So it will show you what kind of plugins have you used. We are going to click on plugin section, and then you can see here only 2 plugins are selected, which is very good for your website speed and for ranking. So if you want to use this free Astra theme, so as I showed you, Astra, you just need to go in appearance, find the Astra theme, and then associated plugins, they will be installed while you will be importing for example, this one will be while you will be importing the theme demo, but this one you are going to install as I showed you, and then after that the theme demo processing started. So I hope you like this video, and I'm challenging you once again, find this one with Melissa P. Find this theme demo on their website and just write me in comment section, because I try to find here with different ways. Even though if I write here travel and give enter, so it doesn't show this theme. As you can see here, you see a couple of other beautiful themes, premium themes, but you don't find the one which I just imported in front of you. So that's my challenge. Find it. If you find it, just write me in comment section and I'll be glad to show in my next video that who has found. I'm just showing you once again because maybe you won't believe me. But this is the beautiful thing which I've mentioned in this video. You see, you don't see any, and this is the last section of the travel blog. So if you like my video, please thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe my channel, that I can bring you more these kind of videos in future for you guys. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.